Creating a website for your brand is often one of the first things that every small business needs, and often the first thing that they trip themselves up on. Because while it's easy to find a good looking template and create a quick website using those templates that reflect your brand colors and look really pretty, it's really the process of trying to put the right words on that page, words that you know are going to resonate with your target audience. It's going to make them feel like they belong in your brand narrative and that you are the perfect expert to help them. Instantly positions you as the go-to expert in your industry for that target audience. Now, if you haven't watched my video on how to create your brand positioning to start with, including your brand narrative, then go ahead and watch that video first. Once you've had a look at that, come back in here and then you can see how you can turn that entire strategy into actual copy for your website. So the first thing you do is go into the brand website module. And here, let's say we are sticking with English. You can either choose specific pages to build out here, or you can simply select all and we'll build out all the copy for your website except for the contact page. Now, something to keep in mind is that the home page and the about page here do use your brand strategy in your account, and products and services overview and detail. Those pages are meant to display the products and services that your brand offers as an overview page with short blurbs on each product or service, and also a detailed page for each of those products and services when somebody clicks on the overview cards. So those two pages draw from the products and services section of the account, and the homepage and the about page draw from your brand strategy. So in order to use this module, ideally you want to have your brand strategy positioning created in your account and also at least one product or service added to your account. Once you have those, you can pick an optional tone of voice. I can either type it out or I can select one of the pre-saved ones in the app. In this case, I'm just going to go with Sarah Silverman. If you don't see your ideal tone of voice in the drop down here, feel free to just type it out instead of going with one of the built-in ones. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. And now it's generating the homepage copy for me, which is of course the most important part of our website. And it really needs to reflect our brand strategy and our brand positioning. So you'll see that it has created all the copy here for me, including the title, which is ideally your logo. You're going to have a heading, a subheading, some calls to action. You're going to have little columns with your brand identity pillars. You're going to have your taglines show up throughout your homepage, and you'll see messaging from your brand strategy and your brand positioning all added into your homepage here. Once you're happy with that, you can click on next. And now it's going to go ahead and create my copy for my about page. Now, businesses create about pages with their origin story, how the company started. And unless your customer can actually see themselves in that story, it's probably not going to resonate with your target audience. So in this case, what we're doing is taking your brand positioning guide and your ideal customer avatar and creating a narrative for you. You can go ahead and read what the AI came up with here. You can also select text to tell the AI what you want to do with it, or just simply type over it if you want to change something and type over it manually. Once you're happy with that, you can go to the next step, which is your products and services overview page. So again, this is going to be a page which displays little blurbs or little cards of each of the products and services that your brand offers. So ideally you want to show off more than one product here. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and pick my Nespresso Coffee Pods product, and I'm going to generate a product overview. Now this is using the positioning strategy that I've created in the products and services part of the app, and it's pulling that in to create a short overview of that product. I can add more products in and keep going. So this is kind of mixed up, and I wouldn't offer an Nespresso Coffee Pods and a Crunch Fitness Gym under the same brand. But let's say I have this other product. I can generate another product overview for it. I can keep going for each of the different products that I have saved to my account, or I can pick and choose which ones I want to create an overview for. Once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and click on next. Now here it's going to create a detail page for me. So this is going to have more details about the product or the service than the overview page, which is meant to just show me a blurb. So in this case, let me go ahead and pick my Nespresso Coffee Pods again. I'm going to go ahead and generate my product detail page copy for this. And now you'll see that it's given me some longer copy, more descriptive of the product. And if I want it to go into greater detail, I can simply go in and select this and ask the AI to expand on this. And now it will build on that one sentence and add more to the part that I selected. So there you have it, an app that uses Prompt 3 AI to create all of your website copy for you using your specific brand positioning strategy. If you have any questions about this at all, or if you'd like me to use more examples and create more videos like these, drop me a comment below, let me know, and I'd be happy to create some more for you. Enjoy.